You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Okay. I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay. Before that, no, Sai Chiran, close your eyes, Sai Chiran. Okay. Open your eyes, children, and see what I've got. We are celebrating Colors Day, right? So I've got things which are in white color. We'll see each one by one. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to show you.
Nice, madam.
Thank you, Grithvik. Okay. So you're able to see my screen, everybody? Yes. So today is Colors Day. Our theme is white color. You all look colorful. Is it? You all have come in white color, right? So give a big round of clap first. Very good. So you all listen to what Radha ma'am said and you have come in white color. Very good. Good job. Super. Okay, so before we get on to our activity, first let's see what all we know which is in white color. Okay. So first one, snowman. Snowman, shell. Leave this. This is not needed. Crayon, garlic. This is some toy. This is bear, panda or bear. Radish, egg, flower, moon, sheep, swan. So I just got few things to show you. Others we'll all see here. Okay, and you also got so many things to show me, right? Yes. So who has joined in between? Okay, I think Lekshita has joined. Hi Lekshita. Hi Jay Krish. Hi Vanilla ma'am. Okay, and then we have. Okay, that's it. Okay, children. So what we'll do before we start on to their activity, we'll all sing our rhyme. Okay, today we'll sing God's love. Okay, ready? Yes. Drank water, everybody ready? Okay. God's love. You're going to sing after me, okay? God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Very good. Thank you, children. Arav, it was very nice. You are waving. Oh, both of you waving together. It was looking nice when I see here. Okay, we'll quickly mark our attendance. Okay, I'm going to start with, I think Adya didn't join yet. We'll start with, however. Adya. Did you join, Adya? No. Okay. Arav.
Here I am, ma'am.
Akshat.
Here I am, ma'am.
Arjun.
Here I am. Here I am. Here I am, ma'am. Here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Arjun. What happened? Okay. Okay. Dayanand.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Dayanand. Gautam.
Here I am.
Thank you. Grithvik.
Here I am.
Jay Krish.
Here, ma'am. Ma'am.
What? Who's that? Who is that, ma'am? Yeah, Naveen Surya. Okay, hi, Naveen Surya. Welcome. I'll call your name. Wait, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Kaushik. Kaushik. Can you please answer your attendance, Kaushik? Okay. Kavin.
Here I am.
Okay. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan. No. Okay. Lakshita ji.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you. Lakshraj.
Here I am.
Thank you, Lakshraj. Lisha. I think Lisha didn't join. Let me check. Okay, no, Lisha didn't join. Okay. Lakshita S. Satvik.
Here I am.
Okay. Nivin Surya.
Here I am.
Okay. Roshan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahassan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Kaushik, got it. Got yours. Okay. Rayan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you, Rayan. Sai Charan.
Here I am.
Izan. Izan. No. Okay. Shiva. Izan didn't join.
I can't.
Okay, Shiva. Okay, Shiva, I got you. Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varnika. Varnika.
Here I am.
Thank you, Varnika. Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai. Okay. Let them join. Others join. Okay. So, children. Who is that I am present? Okay. Ayadya, welcome. Okay. We marked you. We marked you attendance. Okay. So we are going to do what we are going to do. Colors Day. Okay. Before we start with, let me show what we are going to do is you want to start with your name. You're going to tell your name. Okay. And then show the object which you have got and you're going to talk about it. Okay. Okay. First, let me start. We'll go by the order as we do. Alphabetical order talk time. What we'll do is I'll show two items in the middle. Okay. So that I'll also get a chance to show my things what I have got. Shall we all start? Or ready? Show me ready before we start. Generally, I'm going to show the things. Ready? Yes, I can see Lakshrat, Satvik, Sai Charan, Rayan, Shiva, Shravan, Jai Krish, Lakshita, Mahaswin, Varnika, Nivin Surya, Adya. Okay. Yes. Others too I saw. Yes, Dayananda I saw. Okay. Lakshita, what are you showing me, Lakshita? You can keep that down, okay? You don't have to show me. I'll call you and at that time you show me whatever you have, okay? So now it's Radha ma'am's turn, okay? I am Radha. Today we are celebrating Colors Day. So I have got two animals which are in white color, okay? First I'm going to bring panda, which is white and black in color, panda, okay? And then I got a rabbit which will be like white or sometimes it will be in pink. So I got a rabbit, okay? And then I got a dog, which is also a combination of white and black. Okay? Say hi to all our friends there. Hi, friends. Okay, so again, panda, okay? Rabbit, and then a dog. I got this. Okay? And if you see here, I'll just bring that closer. You see here, there are clouds, stars, and glittering circles there. Okay? Okay. So now it's my turn is over. Okay, I'll show a few other things which I've got there. Before that, we'll go from back today. Okay? We'll go in the back order. Okay, Yuvan Sai have joined. It's Yuvan Sai's chance. Has Yuvan Sai joined here? No. Okay. Then it's Varnika's chance. Varnika, please go ahead, Varnika. Show us, show us. Oh.
Sun.
Okay.
Southeast Sonam Kole. Southeast Pay. Major food and cooking. Thank you.
Very good, Varnika. Thank you. Your dress is so glittering, shining, shining. Do like this, your dress, and show us. Your dress. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. You got such a nice heart there. Very nice. Come back to your place. Very nice, Varnika. Come. Very good. Give big round of applause for Varnika. Give a big round of clap. Very good, Varnika. Super. Okay. Next, we have Shravan. Wait, Shravan, let me pin you, then you can talk. Give me a minute.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, Shravan.
Hi, ma'am. I want to talk about garlic.
Okay.
Garlic kills colon cough. Garlic strengthens bones. Garlic improves skin. Garlic improves vision. Garlic painkiller. Thank you.
Very good. Yes, that's very true, Shravan. Garlic has a lot of medicinal benefits. Even I have got a garlic. Same pin, Shravan. Okay, yeah. That's right. Yes. Very good, Shravan. That was really informative and very good speech. Good. Give a big round of clap. Everybody clap for Shravan. Please clap for Shravan. Okay. Then I have Shiva next in the line. Shiva. Wait, Shiva. Yeah, Shiva.
Ma'am,
Mm.
Shiva. Show it.
Show what you've got. Yeah. Very nice, Shiva. I also thought this I should bring, but I forgot. Yeah. Tell me. What is that?
This is white in color.
Okay.
It's prevents you from coronavirus.
Okay. What is that? What is that?
Let's. If you smell it, you will also love it.
Okay, is it? Let me take and smell it. Yeah, it's nice smell. Is that a powder? What is that?
No.
Ah, yes, that's a soap. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much for this. Very nice advertisement, Shiva. Good. Give a big round of clap for Shiva. Good, Shiva. Very good. Okay. Next, let I call. Okay, Sai Charan. Come on, Sai Charan. It's your turn.
My name is Sai Charan. I'm studying on senior KG.
I'm studying in. Okay.
I have kerchief.
Yeah.
When I have cough, I will cover it.
Like
Then
that. Okay.
when I go to school, I will use it on the lunch time.
Okay.
I cover. If it rains, I will dry it.
Very nice. Okay. You'll dry your hair. Okay, with that. Okay.
Thank you.
Very good, Sai Charan. Very good. Superb. Give a big round of clap for Sai Charan. Yeah. Before I proceed to the next person, I just want to quickly inform you something. We are doing this talk time so that kids will have an exposure to talk. So I take this. I would consider the best opportunity and platform for the kids to see. Yesterday when we thought about Colors Day, I didn't realize that we have so many things in white. I think most of you would have experienced the same thing. Most of you. So next time when you see, hey, this is white. Yeah, we didn't remember that. So I personally got to know many things. I didn't realize that they were white. Only when I started searching for things, we got to know many things. So that's one thing we are doing for this Colors Day, so that we'll get to know many things which are in white color. We knew that they are in white, but when you ask when you ask me like what is white color, we'll say only few things. So that's one thing, and the kids will have chance to talk. They will recollect whatever they know, and it's a platform to expose it to all the friends. That will give a good opportunity for the children. So that's the reason we are doing this talk time. So, and I would really thank all the parents. They are taking it seriously, and you have trained your kids really well, and you have utilized this opportunity. So next person I'm going to call. Before I'm calling next person, I am going to show two things which I've got in white. I got two toys. One is the ambulance. Have you seen ambulance in the road? The vehicle ambulance. How it will go? Why, it will go, right? And then I got a small white car. I got two toys. Before I showed you animals, right? Now I'm showing two toys which are in white color. Okay, one is the ambulance, another is a car. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next person. Ryan.
Hello friends, I'm going to talk about. My name is Shane Roberts. I'm going to talk about now the white color in our Indian national flag.
Perfect. Okay.
The white middle band indicates to peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for that information, Rayan. That's a good informative you have shared to all of us. Yes, you all have seen our national flag, right? The top
Yes.
you'll have saffron, middle you'll have white with chakra, Ashok chakra, and then you'll have green. Yes, the first one, saffron, stands for sacrifice, and the middle white color stands for peace. The last one green stands for prosperity. Very good, Rayan. Give a big round of clap for Rayan. Very good. Okay, next, Mahaswin. Let me get you, Mahaswin. Give me a minute. Yeah. Mahaswin, what happened? I think they left due to issue. Okay. Roshan. Ready, Roshan?
Hi friends, I am Roshan. I'm going to talk about cotton. Cotton is used for teddy bears and bats and cloths and pillows. Cotton seeds are used to make oil used for cooking and soap. Cotton items are easily washable. Thank you, friends.
Very good, Roshan. My friend, was really nice. You brought us cotton and showed us. Can you lift it and show all of us cotton? Yes, very nice. Yes. We get cotton from a plant. Yes. Okay, very good. Give a big round of clap for Roshan. Very good. So you should all listen. Then only you will get to see many white things. Okay, so don't look somewhere until your chance comes. You all have to see what your friends are showing. Okay. Then Mahaswin has come back. Mahaswin, can you tell now what you have got, Mahaswin?
I want to talk about chocolates.
Okay.
There is symbol many colors. We will like play and chocolates. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice, Mahaswin. You like chocolates?
Yes.
Do you like white color?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice, Mahaswin. Okay. Then Nivin Surya.
I am Nivin Surya. I love white car. I car. I also wear white. I have a white dress. I have a white toy. I have a white car.
Wow. Okay. That's a nice car, white car. Okay.
I wear a white dress.
Very nice.
I have a white car. I have a white car. I like riding. I like riding. A car. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good, Nivin Surya. Very nice. You like to ride the white car? That's your favorite toy?
Yes.
Can you show us? Yes, can you show us? See, I got a small one. Only small car. Is that yours is big or small?
Big. Big.
Wait, let him say. Wait, Nivin Surya's sister, let him say. Okay, wait. Mine is small or big?
Full.
Small. What about yours?
Big.
Yeah, Nivin Surya has got a big car. Very good, Nivin Surya. Good job. Very good. Clap for Nivin Surya. Everybody, very good. Thank you, Nivin
Thank
Surya.
you.
Thank you, Nivin Surya. Yes, next one is Satvik. Satvik. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Venkat. I'm going to the toy train. It will go very fast on the track.
Okay.
I like take it to bed. It is my favorite toy. Thank you.
Very good, Satvik. Yeah, I know. I know already know train is your favorite toy. You like that white color train?
Yes.
How does the train go? Make sound and show me. How does the train go?
You can make it making sound.
How does the train go? Huh?
It doesn't have wheels there.
Okay. Does it go on road?
No,
Huh.
it'll go on track.
Yeah, that will go on tracks. You're right. Do you have a track at home for your train?
I have small track and big track.
You got two tracks then, small and big.
Yes, the
Okay.
big one is not fitting.
It's not fitting. The small one. What about the small one?
You fit it.
Fit. Why you didn't show us the track?
No? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you bring the track small one, fit the train, and then run and show. Okay. Thank you, Satvik. Thank you. Very good. Give them a big round of clap for Satvik. Sai Charan, if you don't mind, can you please sit down? Thank you. Okay, then Lekshita S. Let me check. Give me a minute, Lekshita S. Give. Yes, Lekshita, go ahead. Can you? Sorry, Lekshita, we are not able to see you fully. Lekshita, we are not able to see you clearly. Can you just push your camera a little down so that we can see you clearly? We can see only half of your face. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, tell me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes. I am Lekshita. Your voice is breaking. Can you just check your mic, Lekshita S? Your voice is breaking. Can you please check your mic? Okay. Wonderful, Lekshita. Everybody, please give a big round of clap for Lekshita S. That was really nice hearing it from you. Yes, we should not waste paper. Paper is used for writing, drawing, and then coloring. Everything we use paper. We should not waste paper because we get paper from trees. If we use waste, if we can use paper, but we should not waste it. If we waste paper, then we have to cut a lot of trees. And if there are no trees, we will not get rain. Then we will not get food. Very good, children. That's a nice point, Lekshita. Yes, we should not waste paper. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. Then Lisha. Lisha, did you join Lisha? Let me check. No. Okay. Then Lakshita. No, it's Lakshraj, is it? Yeah, Lakshraj.
Yes, ma'am. This is pigeon.
Hmm.
Pigeon is type of bird.
Very good.
It like to play. Eat seeds. Next one. This is type of igloos.
Hmm.
It is made up of snow.
Hmm.
People live inside.
What's next? Talk, talk. This is
snowman. It is made up of snow. Its color is white. We can play with it. This one cloud is cloud dirt sleigh. Huh?
when we see outside.
Yeah, when you see upside, it's one is sky.
Next one. Put. This one.
This is rabbit. He like to eat carrot. He like to hop and jump. Huh?
My favorite pet.
This my favorite pet animal.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wonderful, Lakshraj. Can you take all the things that you have and show us? That's nice, really nice. You got a pigeon, you got igloo, snowman. Let me recall, rabbit, and one more. What I forgot? Yeah, clouds. That's very nice, Lakshraj. Give a big round of this. Turn the cloud. That's the other way around. Turn the cloud. Yeah. Very nice. Can you show us your face? Can you show us your face, Lakshraj? Yeah, very nice, Lakshraj. Good job. So you got to know 5 things. Your mom helped you for this.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, say thank you, mom. It was really nice. You showed us many things. Very good. Give a big round of clap for Lakshraj.
Thank
Everyone
you.
there. Wonderful.
Thank
Super.
you.
Very good. So now let me show a few things which I've got. I've got 2 vegetables. One is radish. The other is garlic. What Shravan showed us. Okay. And I've got paper plates, white color, paper cups, white color, tissue for wiping our face or mouth or hands. Okay. And I've got, I'll show the rest thing later. Okay. Thank you, Lakshraj. It was really nice. Okay, then Lakshita ji.
Friends. Hi, friends.
Hi, Lakshita.
I got duck. I got ducky. I got gloves. I got dog. I got remote.
That's nice.
I like dog. I talkie dog is name. Is dog says wow wow wow. Thank you.
Very good, Lakshita ji. That was really cute and nice. Yes. Have you seen a movie? The same dog? 101 Dalmatians, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay, when you're free on holidays, ask your parents and see that movie. The same dog will come in the movie. There are many dogs like that in the movie. Have you watched it? Watch that movie, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, Lakshita. Good.
Thank you,
Give a
ma'am.
big round of clap for Lakshita. Very good, Lakshita. Next, we have in the line Kumara Guruparan. I think he can join. Let me check one more time. Okay, okay. Next is Kavil.
Hi, I'm Kavi. I want to talk about egg. Egg. Egg is a healthy food. It gives protein to us. Eat it and stay healthy. Bye.
Very good, Kavin. That was an informative talk. Yes. Egg. Good. Yes. Eat egg. You get a lot of protein. It's really good for health. Okay. So when your parents give egg, don't say no, no. You should eat egg. Okay. Good. Next in the line is Kaushik.
What?
Hi, friends.
I talk about white tiger.
Okay.
The white tiger is Bengal tiger. There's a white animal. Unique for the white animal. Lifespan around 20 years.
Okay.
Eyes are blue color. Nose and pink color. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, Kaushik. Yes, you talked about the white tiger, Bengal white tiger. Very nice. It lives for 20 years. Very good. Thank you so much for sharing that, Kaushik. Very good. You are big
Thank
enough,
you, ma'am.
Kaushik. Yes, that was really out of the box. A different one. Yes. Okay. Next we have Jai Krish. Jai Krish.
Today, hello friends, and today talk about milk. Milk is good for health. It's rich in calcium. We get curd,
From
honey, and butter, paneer, and ghee from milk. Thank you.
very good, Jai Krish. You know why your teeth are white? Why your teeth are white? White teeth is also white, right? Yeah, if you drink lot of milk, the white color milk, your teeth also will become white. Yes, you will become strong. Very good, Jai Krish. That's nice. Very good. Give a big round of clap for Jai Krish. Very good. Superb. Very good. Okay, next in the line is Ritvik. Ritvik. Devin Surya, please stay on mute, Devin Surya. Ritvik.
Good evening.
No problem.
And friends, I am Nick.
I am going
Milk.
talk about milk. Chappu.
Okay. Yeah.
It is a liquid and white in color.
We
We get milk from cow and buffalo. We
prepare
prepare cheese, curd, paneer, etc. from milk. Drinking milk from
Is
is good for health. I am drinking milk every day. Thank you.
Very good, Gratvik. That's so comprehensive. Very good. Good job. 2 milk consecutively. Okay, very nice, Gratvik. Good job. Give a big round of clap for Gratvik. Very nice. Good. Thank you, children, for clapping and cheering your friends. Very good. Gautam. Gautam, have you joined? I think.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, Gautam. You got the milk cover. Okay, yeah. Eat milk continuously. Yes.
That is why he was upset.
Maybe I'd have changed the order. Okay. You want to talk now or sometime later?
Yeah, I want to talk.
Yeah, go ahead, Gautam. Come on.
Good evening. all.
Show me. Show me what you've got. See, I showed you. No, I got this. All these animals. I got an ambulance. I showed you. You also show me what you've got.
So, milk.
What is that? Yes. Okay.
And then teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Panda.
Panda. You also got the same panda. Same pinch. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
I am going to talk about. Dekha Sundar.
Milk.
Milk is white in color.
White in color.
Dekha pesa.
White in color.
Okay.
Good for health.
Angapachali. Rich in calcium.
Rich in calcium.
Good for bone strength.
Good for bone strength.
Milk products are
Milk products are
curd,
curd,
paneer,
paneer,
cheese,
cheese,
ghee, butter,
yogurt.
I love milk.
I love milk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. How do you drink milk? Like this or like this? How do you drink milk?
Sure.
Yeah, like that. Yes, very good, Gautam. Give a big round of clap for Gautam. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Next we have my friend Dayanand. Loud and clear, Dayanand. Yes, come on, Dayanand.
This is camel.
Okay.
It is in white color.
Okay.
We get milk only from cow and buffalo. Milk is cute. Maybe tea and coffee. Milk, bone, soup is stronger. Give us energy. It's also improving memory power.
Okay.
It is rich in calcium, protein, fat, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Dayanand. Show me the cup. Are you going to drink the whole milk? Are you going to drink the whole one? Yes? What do you drink? What do you drink? You drink milk or what do you drink? You drink coffee, tea, Bonvita, Boost. What do you drink with milk?
I drink tea on morning, but milk at night.
You drink tea.
Tea and milk.
Okay, you drink tea and milk.
I
Okay. That.
drink milk
Okay.
at night.
Okay. Thank you, Dayanand. Give a big round of clap for that. Yes, Sachin, I got that what you said. Yes. Good, Dayanand. Very good. Okay, my dear Arjun. Where are you? I'm searching you. Give me a minute, Arjun. Yeah, I found you. Yes. Arjun, how are you today? How are you? How are you, Arjun?
How are you, children?
How about you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm very super.
You're very super. Show me the hands. You didn't show me today.
Super confidence.
Strong, no, not strong. Super. Super. Okay, you got white dress today. So what are you going to show me? Yes, you're strong. You got white
It's a
paper.
paper.
Okay, what color is the paper?
I'm going to talk about paper.
Ah.
This is a tea. Cut.
Ah.
Put body, go to
Uh,
Factory.
go to factory
ah,
and big machines are there.
okay.
Makes paper.
It's make paper.
Okay. Very nice, Arjun. I like it very
White
much.
color.
Yes, white color. Yes, you cut the trees, take them to the factory.
This light on paper.
Okay.
It's light on a paper.
Okay. Very good. You wrote paper. Very nice, Arjun. Give a big round of clap for Arjun. That was really nice. You showed us how do we make paper. Yes, what you said is right. You cut the trees, take them to the factory, grind it from the trees. You get the paper. And then you make the paper. Wood pulp, you make paper. Very good. Super. Arjun, clap for yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clap for yourself. Very good. Clap, clap,
Clap, clap.
clap, clap. Look at me. Very good, Arjun. Super. Very good. Okay, Arjun told us how do we make paper. Very good, Arjun. Okay, next, Akshat.
Ma'am, we can't see your videos off, ma'am.
Is it? Okay, you don't have to see me. Your friends are only talking now. Children, you don't have to see me. Your friends are talking. You can see them. Okay. Now, next in the line is Akshat. Akshat, can you please talk, Akshat? Yeah, Akshat. Can you hear me, Akshat? I'm able to hear your sound. Can you hear me? Show me thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes, thank you. Yes, I think you can hear me now. Yeah, tell me, Akshat.
See.
Go ahead.
Hi, everyone. I'm going to speak about as you all know me, I'm Akshat. I'm going to speak about salt. Salt is in white color. It gives taste for the food. If you not keep salt, it will be tasteless. In Tamil, they will say Uppilla Pandum Uppile. In Tamil, if you not keep salt, it will be
Tasteless. Tasteless.
tasteless.
Yes, tasteless.
Unique character salt plus present not absence is making everything tasteless. Friends, it's done. Have unique character as salt. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Akshat. Nice banner and salt. Hold the salt and show smiley. Smiley face. Yeah, nice. Very good. The proverb was very nice in Tamil. Yes, good. Okay, Arav. Okay, you've got sugar. Okay. Yeah, nice one. Come on. Wait.
See.
Ah.
Hello everyone, as you all know,
Yeah, we all know
I'm
you.
going to speak about sugar. Sugar is white in color. Do you all like sugar?
Yes, we like
No,
sugar.
you not eat sugar. Why? Because chemical will come. You should eat jaggery and brown sugar and honey. If I eat more sugar, it will affect your health. You should not eat sugar. And I wanted last thing I wanted to say one thing.
Tell me.
In cup of coffee, sugar is it. In cup of coffee, in sugar is it. In bottom studying, if I drink it will be bitter. If
Yes.
I study, it will be
Tasty?
tasty.
Okay.
Life will have life have like a cup of coffee. Without studying, if I drink it will be life will be bitter. If I study nicely, life will be happy and yummy. Thank you.
That was nice, Arav. More than what you are about to speak. Very nice. We will try to avoid white sugar. Hereafter, we'll add brown sugar, honey, and what is it? One more? Sugar. What is it? Jaggery. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Arav and Akshay. Very good. Give a big round of clap for them. Children, everybody. Yes. Next, we have last Adya. Come on, Adya.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Adya.
I am Adyashri. I have two things in white color. First one is car. I like to go in the car. Once I grown up, I will learn car driving. Second one is thermometer. Second one is thermometer. It is used to check body temperature. Thank you.
Very good, Adya. That was really nice. Yes. All the best for your car driving when you grow older. Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, children. Everybody, look at me. Give a big round of applause for yourself and your friends. The colors day was really nice. I got to see many things. I got to learn. I hope you would have also learned many things. Is it or not? Yes, we saw many things. Arjun told us about how to paper gets manufactured. How do we make paper? I saw many people showing remote, thermometer, cars. Let me try to consolidate whatever I saw. Train, okay, and then paper, panda toy, okay, and then let me recall. Towel, and then garlic, and then milk. 3 or 4 milks we saw. Okay, and then what else? Anything I left out? And Lakshya showed us many things. Snowman, white sugar, like one at a time. Yes, Roshan. Cotton, yes, cotton, white sugar, salt, and then snowman, clouds, and then sorry, pigeon, flag, yeah. Ryan told us about flag.
Panda.
Yes, Shiva told us about soap, white soap, yes. Panda, yes, I told panda already, I think. White tiger, yes, Kaushik told us about white tiger. Very nice. Sorry, Adya, I didn't get that. Zebra is white and black. Okay. So I got something. This is Fevicol. You remember? Fevicol. The Fevicol gum which we use for pasting. That is also white in color. I got shell. When you go to beach, you collect shell. That is white in color. And then this one, sponge. When you buy anything that comes with a sponge, right? That's white in color. I got eraser. This one, the form which we used to play, like shell. And then a white crayon. And then what else I got? So, what's Aicharan?
When you go to see, some she have raccoon.
Okay. And the one I got here, it's like the zebra. Do you see this? White and black zebra. So then the board which we use for writing, the whiteboard. Okay. So and some few of you showed me papers. That's really nice. And Lekshita has told about a good point. We should not waste paper so that we'll save trees. Very good, children. That was really nice. Okay. So we all did with our Colors Day talk. Did I leave anybody who joined late? Let me know. Let me see. Did everybody get a chance to talk? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So as you all know, white stands for peace. Okay. And then as Ryan said, Ryan said in the flag we have the white color. Yes. So we learned about white color today. So did you all got to know many things that are in white? You all have come dressed up in white color. It's really nice. Looking here from everybody together, it's really nice. Okay. So quickly, what we'll do? We'll do a game. Okay. We'll all play a game. Ready? Ready for the game? Yes. So this game is, as it's a colors day. Okay. I will say color. You should ask me. Color. What color do you choose? You should ask me. Okay. Please unmute. Please unmute and then ask me. I will say a color. You should quickly grow. If you're able to find things nearby, you can grab it and come. Also, you can touch that and show me from there. Ready? Ready, children? Shall we all do? Only 3 colors will do. Okay, so that the time will, I think, it's almost time. We'll just do 3 colors. Ready? Show me thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Now please Nivin Surya, please stay on mute. Nivin Surya, if you want to ask something, ask me. Otherwise, please stay on mute. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Dayanand, I can't hear you. Tell me. I can't hear you. It's so noisy. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay, so you all ask me color. Open your mouth. Color. What? Please stay on mute. Sai Charan, please don't unmute Sai Charan until I call your name. Color. What color do you choose? I will say slowly, you repeat after me, okay? Color. Arjun, look at me. Arjun. Lakshita, open your mouth. Come on, Grithvik, everybody open your mouth. Color. What color do you choose? Okay, I am going to say brown. If you have anything brown, show me. Or else if you want to go and touch brown and show me. Brown. Okay, because I said brown. Okay, brown. Slowly. Yes, Krish, I saw. Lakshat, I saw. Roshan, I saw. Shiva, I saw that. Saichan, I saw you. Dayanand, I saw that. Okay, Aravaksha, I saw you touch the wood. Arjun, I saw that brown color. Adya, I saw that brown cupboard. Ryan, I saw the chocolate. Ryan, you're eating alone without giving us. Okay. Please don't unmute. Yes, Grithvik. Good, Grithvik. Brown. Yes. Please don't unmute. Okay. I'll come see everybody. Okay. Gautam has got a teddy. Okay. I'll check others and come back. What about Mahaswin? Good, Mahaswin. You got one thing. Okay. Lekshita S. Brown. Yes, Lekshita. Okay, you touched it. Okay. Then I saw them. Okay, what about Satvik? Satvik was also having brown. Good. Okay.
Kaushik, ma'am.
Yes, Kaushik. Tell me. Yes, very good. Brown crayon you have got. Good. Okay, I saw Arjun. I saw Lakshita. Okay, I saw everybody. Okay, good job. Okay, again we'll play last time. Okay, ask me. Keep that down. Keep those things down. I also touched brown. I also got brown. I'm also touching the table. Brown. Okay. Color. What? Ask me. Color. What color do you choose? Again. Color, color. What color do you choose? Arav, please sit down. Only then we'll play the game. Okay, let me think and tell you. I want black. Black. I touched my head. Black. Yes, Shiva, good. I saw Grithvik. I saw Sachin with a mobile. I saw Kaushik with a pencil. I saw Lakshraj with a sketch pen. Okay, somebody is showing me the leg. Okay, come in. Yeah, touching the wheel. Gautam. Arjun is showing me. Yes. Arjun. Aravan Akshat showing the pant. Okay. Roshan is touching the head. Okay. Jayakrish is showing me something in black. Yeah, Diana has got a toy. Everybody is showing me the slate, tires. Okay, nice. Ryan is showing me something different. Another chocolate, Ryan. Belt, belt. Okay. Very good. I saw Grithvik. I saw Shiva. Let me check others and come back. Adya, I saw Adya. Yes, I saw you. I'll check Mahaswin. Yeah, Mahaswin. Good, Mahaswin. I saw that. Yeah, I saw Gautam. I saw Jayakrish. Jayakrish having a pig. Okay. Jayakrish. Lekshita is. Good, Jayakrish. I saw that. Yeah, you're having a crayon. Lekshita is good. I saw Shravan touching his dress. Very good, Shravan. Good presence of mind. Yes, you found it. Good. Roshan is out. I saw him having something. Yes, Roshan. Rayan, I saw. Nivin Surya, what are you having in black? Okay, you got an eyeliner or something. Okay, good job. Okay, good. So, shall we all play one more time? I'll finish it. Last one time? Or no?
Moody. Yes.
What about others? We'll play one more time. I'll finish it.
Do one more time.
One more time. Okay, last time. You're going to ask me. Color. What color do you choose? Okay, ask me. Color. What color? Arjun, ask me. Color. Open your mouth. Color. What color do you choose? I'm going to ask. Red. Let me see if I have anything in red. Yeah, I have. I got something in red. I got red. Yes, I can see cars. I can see water bottles. I can see Varnika. I saw the lid, Varnika. I saw rings. I saw toys. I see cars. Many of you have so much things in red. I saw Grithvik. It's a toy. Okay. Yes. Nivin Surya is showing me some nail polish. Okay. Nivin Surya. Yes, lipstick. Rayan is showing me lipstick. Okay. Yeah, Varnika. I saw the lid. Red color. Very good. Yes, Diana, the toys. Arjun, I saw. Aravaksha, I saw the toys. Gautam, I saw. Adya, I saw the book. Roshan is showing me the wires. Kavin, red color. Yes, he's showing. Okay, you don't have to look it. Mahaswin, you're showing me the car. Okay, Mahaswin. Good. Gautam, what are you having in red? Oh, ring. Yeah, I saw that. I forgot. Yes, Jayakrish, I saw the car. It's nice. Lexa is showing me the crayon. Very good, Lexa.
Yes, ma'am.
Shravan, red file. Very good, Shravan. Yes.
She mine.
Roshan, you're showing me yellow, Roshan. I asked for red. Ryan, you showed me lipstick. Okay. I will come to each one of you and check. Please. Nivin Surya, you showed me. Yes. Lakshraj, what are you having in red, Lakshraj? I didn't see that. Okay, you had a sketch pen. Okay. Satvik, what are you having in red? Phone. Wow. Okay. Shiva, what are you having in red? Chair.
Ma'am, she mine.
I'll come to each one of you and see. You're having a car. Okay, Shiva. Good. Okay. What about Grithvik?
Kaushik, ma'am.
I'll come, Kaushik. Okay. Grithvik, what do you have in red? What did you have in red? Okay, I'll check. Yes, okay, yeah, red toy. Okay, Kavin. Okay, go. Adya showed me. Dayanand showed me the car. Okay, Kaushik, what are you having? You're having the bag, Kaushik. Okay. Sachin, you're having the dress, your brother's dress, An Academy. Okay. Varnika showed me the lid. Okay. Arjun showed me the pen. No, crayon. Okay. No, don't lift it that much. I'm not able to see. I'm not that tall. Okay. And Lakshita ji, what are you showing me in red? Okay, box. Good. Arav Akshara, I saw they're having a toy. Good children. Thank you so much for spontaneously picking up the toy and coming. That's all we have for today. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much. The session is over. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can say. Thank you so much, sis. Wait. Wait, children. Please listen. Sai Charan, please stay on mute, Sai Charan. See, children, this is not right. You're a good children, right? While going off, you should say thank you, ma'am, once and then leave. Don't scream. My ears are aching. Okay? Say thank you, ma'am, once and then leave. Please. If you have any questions, stay. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.